Just remember the plan. We find out who has the Fangblade trophy, we snatch it, and then we get the out of town.
Just a moment.
Hey, Dad! How long has it been?
Use the bell, son.
Hey, Dad! What?
Just a moment.
Hey, Dad!
You
Please! This isn't you!
This is the new me! Oh, hell no!
Sorry, first time being kidnapped, kinda nervous. So, like, why did you pick me? Do you think I'm cute? I'm gonna kill you. Okay, daddy vibes, we love a bad boy king, and I wanna die. There's something wrong with your generation. Freeze! Police! You're safe now, ma'am. Okay, ew, police is not that deep. Chill. And did you just assume my gender? Because that's offensive.
But I'm here to say-
That's offensive.
But you were-
That's offensive.
Eat shit!
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything.
You're right. I don't have to say anything. But I do have to sing.
Mr. B6000, oh, Mr. B6000, yeah, you know his name. He changed it once or twice, but I think it's here to stay. His thumbnails, well, they're made in paint, but if you ask me, I think they're kinda quaint.
That's the sweetest thing I've ever heard, Pop.
Alright, so here we are in front of the elephants.
He said he was gone. Look, the Green Ninja.
I suspect is that they have really long trunks. And that's pretty much all there is to say.